3, 2, 1.
Woo! Bro!
That was sweet.
Holy. Dude!
3, 2, 1.
Woo! Bro!
That was sweet.
Holy.
You know, it blew out the other end and... right, so it should be good. You're quite certain it's all good.
That was so good.
Oh guys, he didn't...
Holy crap.
It kind of smoked the kitchen scale.
Oh! Oh wait, no. I thought this camera was screwed, but it was just...
Holy shit, dude.
It's so smoky now.
It just shed.
Dude, I want to see that.
The pressure was too great for the
plastic.
Look at
that, it like ripped that up.
Yeah, I wondered why it was going out both ends.
Oh no, we're not going to get a reading on that.
Dude, you made a double rocket.
Oh jeez.
That was mean. We kind of got rocket versus rocket in the end.
Oh man.
Yeah, we did.
Mr. Wood's going to go wild on this.